Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PS5 turning off randomly. First, let us check simple solutions that often resolve the issue without complex steps. Many unexpected shutdowns stem from basic power or software glitches, so we will cover those initial troubleshooting efforts. Ensuring your console's stability begins with these foundational checks. Keeping your PlayStation 5 system software up to date is crucial for optimal performance and stability. Navigate to your console's settings menu, then select the system option. From there, locate System Software, and finally choose System Software Update and Settings to apply any available updates. This simple step can resolve various underlying system instabilities. A stable power connection is absolutely essential for your PlayStation 5. Carefully inspect your power cable for any visible damage, such as fraying or loose connections at either end. It is also highly recommended to plug your console directly into a wall outlet, completely bypassing any surge protectors or extension cords. This ensures a consistent and reliable power supply. Overheating is a very common culprit behind consoles shutting down unexpectedly as a protective measure. Always place your PlayStation 5 in an open area, ensuring there are at least 4 inches of clear space around all of its ventilation ports. Regularly cleaning these vents with compressed air will prevent dust buildup, promoting better airflow and cooler operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.